When we built the bungalow and moved in 7 years ago, the plan was always to put a conservatory on the back. It just took a bit longer than we'd anticipated, but we wanted to bring the garden into the house somewhat. We'd had quite a few quotes and been and visited other sites. We went to conservatory land and were totally impressed by the whole process of how they made the conservatories, what it entailed, how you could insulate them. So we chose them ultimately to do our conservatory. We spend quite a lot of time now in the conservatory, nice summer days, and we'll have the doors open so we feel more that we're linking with the outside, and tend to spend more time sat there chilling. Conservatory land were brilliant. Every query we had, they managed to sort it out, any minor problems, then they were there. When the conservatory came, it was absolutely spot on, fitted perfectly, and their support throughout was really, really good. We felt, although my husband's done most of the building of the bungalow and the garden, the patios and all sorts, we felt it was something that we needed to be spot on, and that would better be done by an installer. They were fabulous. They were really, really good. They were clean, they were tidy, they were happy, interacted well. They were, most definitely would recommend them. I would also recommend you do a visit to the showroom, and if you can get the opportunity to look around the factory, that will be really good. That's what did it for us, the way they were made.